Hey guys, welcome to the very first episode of
Diyan ka magaling.
Diyan Ka Magaling. Ay, araw-araw ko yata naririnig yan sa asawa ko.
Oh,
So,
deserve. Deserve.
the serve. So that's why we decided to make a podcast about it. Let's give our listeners a quick backgrounder on why we decided to make this podcast.
Kasi para may ginagawa tayo sa gabi.
Oo, kasi minsan pagod na kami, late kami nakaka-dinner, ayaw naman namin matulog agad, 'di ba? Kasi masama
Actually, okay
yung
lang ako matulog agad.
ikaw
Ikaw lang.
yun.
Ikaw
Ayoko
lang
yung
yung
pagkakain
may
yung
ayaw.
tulog agad eh. Pangit yun. So we decided to make this parang we'll try to make it a semi-regular, semi-daily podcast.
Basta,
Mini-pod.
try.
May ganun ba? Mini-pod?
Anong mini-pod? Basta pod.
Mini-podcast.
O di, podcast pa rin yun. Kasi nga, mini-pod. Podcast.
Okay. We will be talking about several industries, especially ours. Trixie is in the
I'm in the advertising industry. I've been in the advertising industry and e-commerce industry. And I am back in the advertising industry. So, yun. And siya naman nasa F&B.
sa F&B culinary industry. I've been here for close to 20 years. Wow.
Wala na akong sinasabing date. Ikaw, gusto mo yan. Yan,
Wow.
ginalingan mo dyan.
So that's the goal of this podcast.
Mm-mm.
Okay. So let's get to it. Our first ever topic na pag-usapan,
Is about the workplace.
the workplace.
Kasi,
Workplace.
this week launch ng The Bear. It's the new season.
Season 3 of The Bear.
Season 3. At this point, we haven't really watched it, but we've seen like spoilers. Kasi may friend kaming nandun. Ba, sikat, may kilalang nasa The Bear.
Yabang. May cameo yung friend
Oo.
namin.
So, nakita namin. And we were planning to watch it. But ako kasi, I just saw it over the weekend.
Yung season 1 and 2.
Yeah, I binge watched it. Sobrang bilis lang panoorin. And tsaka kasi medyo matagal yung napanood. And kinukulit niya ako na panoorin ko siya. And sabi nga niya kasi parang it reflects a lot. It's very real. Like, it reflects a lot of like how the F&B industry is. And it's no different from the industry where I grew up in.
Yes.
Sabi nga namin, may term kami na yung asylum that raised us. So, it's very similar.
I remember a lot of chefs when the bear first came out. When the bear first came out. By the way, you can watch The Bear on Disney Plus Philippines. When the Bear first came out, ang daming chef na nagsabi nakaka-PTSD daw. Lalo na yung there's a scene there yung tuloy-tuloy yung ticker. Yung ticket
sa
machine.
tickets, yeah.
Yung
chits.
Yung chut, yung trut. Di ko kaya yung sound effects. Chut, yung tuloy-tuloy.
Oh.
Kasi every single chef na kilala ko, dinaanan yun. Yung parang tuloy-tuloy, hindi tumitigil yung tickets. Tapos mababaliw ka na parang, teka lang, huling-huli ka na sa orders. Sobrang delayed na, ang dami na nagpa-follow up, tapos tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung pasok. Tapos yung mga service team nyo, syempre, kailangan kumota, makabenta, pasok lang, order lang kayo. Yung ganon. So, ang daming na, medyo na PTSD doon sa eksena na yon.
Yeah.
In the advertising world, ang tanong, medyo ganun ba? May mga sabak na gerahan din ba? Because, before you answer that, so that you have time to think about your answer. Naalala ko nung pag-graduate ko nung college. Sabi ko sa mom ko, my mom is in the ad industry, was in the ad industry
Before,
also.
yeah.
Ang una ko tanong sa kanya, ma, gusto ko rin mag-ahensya, mag-ahensya life. Kaya ko ba? Ang sabi niya sa akin, sabi ni mami, hindi.
Alam niya, kilala ka niya.
Kilala kita, masyado kang mabait. Nagulat ako. Tapos sabi niya, it's a dog-eat-dog world out there pag ahensya. Tama ba? Totoo ba yung sinabi ni mami?
Totoo naman. Marami namang mabait sa hello! Mabait naman ako. Hindi, pero marami namang mabait. But it's not about the bait or what. It's really more of the work hours. But in relation niya to that, di ba, yung sa The Bear, merong parang very, yung nakaka-trigger sa inyo yung sa tickets. So,
kayo, pag may commercial
actually,
sa TV?
hindi naman. OA. Pero yung may lumabas din kasi recently na ad from Cannes
Mm.
Lion, na parang they made a video on social media promoting, I think it's award season, I forgot, na sobrang lahat ng taong dating ahensya and currently ahensya na-trigger sila dun sa video na
But
yun. Kasi
describe the video.
the
What
video was
happened?
really more of showing how the client agency relationship was. Yung tipong parang pinakita dun na sobrang daming ginagawa and parang lahat ng demands ng client um, kailangan gawin. May
Oo.
part kasi dun na scene na sobrang daming sunod-sunod na nangyayari na kung ano na yung tina-type nila. Tapos parang nag-flatline. Tapos parang
Um,
tet, and then parang nagsimula na naman yung work na, nag-email sila lahat, sunod-sunod, tuloy-tuloy, as in lahat yung ting-ting-ting na sa
so
mga
parang toxic,
notification.
parang
Yeah,
toxic.
and then parang
Ayan.
ang ending was, na-shortlist yung campaign natin. Na we worked
So,
hard and yun nga parang ginawa natin lahat ng mga
mm,
edits and revisions agad-agad and yung lahat ng demands ng client, which is very toxic. TBH is one of the things that have been really stressful or parang ang daming yun yung isa sa mga cause kung bakit ang daming stress din sa ahensya because of the
okay,
awards.
so to summarize, the ad, kaya na-trigger kayo, parang yung reality ng how to,
Yeah.
come up with an award-winning
Yeah.
ad or let's say
Yeah.
TVC, commercial, di ba?
It doesn't
Parang ang
even
daming revision, ang
it
daming
doesn't even
di ba ganun
have to be
nangyari?
award-winning. Kahit lang yung mga normal na kailangan i-churn out na mga commercials or like ads
Basta
or
kumbaga ang daming
campaigns.
revision, parang
Ang
ganon.
daming, not just that, like, there are also clients that are very demanding. 'Di ba?
Mm.
So, yun, parang nakaka-PTSD din yung reel na yon from Cannes kasi nga, it was too real. Sobrang totoo siya. And at the same time, parang hindi pa rin nag-iiba yung industry. Yung ahensya, ganun pa rin sa advertising. Like, sobrang stressful pa din. At least for a lot of the agencies.
Okay, so should this di ba, pareho nga yung concern. Um, in the ad industry, in the culinary industry, nagkakaroon nga ng point na hindi na healthy yung working environment. 'Di ba?
It's toxic.
It's toxic. It's taking a physical and mental toll on the workers. Minsan I feel na nagiging handicap or hindi handicap, sorry. Nagiging scapegoat na ng mga employers
Mm.
yung wala, mahina to, Gen Z kasi. 'Di ba? Lagi mo naririnig 'yan. Mahinang nila lang to, bata nga to.
That's another topic.
That's a whole other topic
That's
altogether ba?
that's
Saka na yan.
another
Pero gets
topic.
mo, 'di ba nagiging siya scapegoat? Pero minsan parang do we have to really review our workplace? Yung mga
Yes.
environment that we are presenting to the younger generation, the next generation na parang, kumbaga, hello, welcome to the jungle. 'Di ba? Parang ganun eh.
I mean, gets ko naman na sa kahit anong workplace naman, not just in our
Exactly.
industries,
Oo.
'di ba? May stress. Di naman
Mm.
mawawala 'yun
Mm.
eh, 'di ba? You will always encounter stressful situations, stressful
Kung
environments,
madali
stressful
nga, 'di ba?
clients.
Everyone would be doing it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Meron. Pero kasi parang there is a certain level to it din and parang kunwari sa'min, do we enable stressful clients or do we set boundaries? I think the keyword there is boundaries. Parang before kasi wala, 'di ba? It was yun sa generation na nauna sa atin. For them, not having boundaries is a badge of honor. Parang, di, okay lang, kahit message ako ng kliyente, kailangan niya to, parang gawin natin to. Kahit kailangan to ng kliyente, tumatawag yung kliyente ng 3:00 na umaga, hindi, kailangan natin gawin or kailangan natin tapusin. Like, kahit sa inyo din, na parang, I'm not that familiar with F&B, pero nakikita ko dun sa mga napapanood ko that you said was like very real, yung mga yung environment na naninigaw, parang tinatawag sila na, hoy, wala kang kwenta, mga ganyan, di ba? Like shouting,
Naninigaw,
breathing down their neck,
binabatuan ng plato.
di ba?
Yung kunwari, well done, pag bumalik yung steak, well done. Yung mga dating chef talaga, kunin talaga, i-eat siya sa yung pinggan kasi sa kanila, sinayang mo yung ilang ₱1,000 worth na steak. So, ulitin, di ba?
Ayun. So,
Parang
di ba,
ganon.
that's just toxic thing na gets ko naman, 'di ba? Sayang. Sayang yung ingredient, pero do you have to throw the plate away? Do you have to shout at that person? 'Di ba? May mga bagay pa rin na kailangan natin i-improve. And I think it's not just applicable to you. I mean,
Mm.
to F&B. It's not just applicable to advertising. It's applicable to all kinds of workplaces. And marami siya eh. I guess it's more of, merong general na may shared, parang kumbaga, shared trauma yung mga industries natin. Pero may mga things din kasi na parang very specific to a certain workplace. So yes, kailangan, sobrang layo pa actually, kailangan natin i-improve.
I remember in the TV industry, they have a new alam ko batas to eh. The FPJ law. Ay, FPJ ba? Eddie Garcia law.
Oo, yung may namatay na veteran actor dahil
Oo.
hindi FPJ, Eddie Garcia yata.
Yung tama. It's because of the long work hours ng
Yeah.
ng TV industry.
Yeah.
Yung talagang bago mag-pack up, talagang yung mga tao. Let's say yung mga artista and talents usually, sige okay lang, nakakapahinga sila sa tent, 'di
Nakatenga
ba?
sila.
Nakatenga sila,
Yeah.
babasa ng script review. Pero yung mga actually doon, yung crew,
Prod.
'di ba?
Yeah,
Yung prod,
tuloy-tuloy lang naman lahat
yung
eh.
nag-aayos ng set, 'di ba?
Kahit
Yung
ba sabihin mo na may unit 1, unit 2 ka, pareho lang naman na may prod yan.
Oo eh,
So,
'di ba?
tuloy-tuloy lang
So
sila.
nagkaroon ng bagong law, 'di ba, to monitor yung
Yeah.
ganyang working hours. I think almost all industries here have to take that into consideration because yung number one mong puhunan. Like ko sinasabi sa mga staff ko, huwag kayong papasok na kunwari may hangover kayo, masama pakiramdam nyo. Titirahan nyo lang ng cobra. Kasi sa kanila, sa industry kasi namin, no work, no pay eh.
Yeah.
Ikaw pumasok ngayon, walang sweldo, sorry. So sila, titirahan nila ng cobra para gising
Para
sila.
tuloy-tuloy.
Pipilitin nila yung katawan nila, but you're taxing your body.
Yun. Kasi, yun naman, parang there's a lot of layers to that as well. 'Di ba? May mga iba na they really can't afford. Di nila kaya na
Yes.
hindi sila pumasok kasi
Oo,
nga
they
no
cannot
work,
afford to be
no work,
absent.
no pay,
Oo,
arawan, or
oo.
what. And kailangan talaga nila. So may mga ganun din factor. But syempre, 'di ba, parang yun nga eh, parang there are a lot of things to discuss kasi syempre sa inyo, as much as you want to tell kunwari yung staff mo na ano muna,
Magpahinga ka.
pahinga ka, 'di ba? Eh
Problema,
syempre,
sino sasalo ng work?
it's not even that. It's more of paano siya ikita for that day, 'di ba? Paano ang
Oo.
kailangan niya? So kung may sakit nga siya, kailangan niya pa-hospital, kaya bumili ng gamot, 'di ba? Sayang yung kita for that day. Kailangan din natin ma-factor in yung discussion na bakit ba sila arawan? Bakit hindi ba ganito yung sweldo nila? Naka-minimum lang ba? Bakit hindi pwede iangat? 'Di ba? There are a lot of things that are tama ba yung grammar ko? May mga bagay na it's beyond our control or hindi natin directly control. So, may mga bagay din na kailangan natin i-consider na yung kaya nating immediate. 'Di ba? Like for example, do you sa staff mo ba, parang do you do that kapag kunwari may mali silang ginawa? Hoy, babato mo yung
Dati.
diba? Tama. Ikaw eh. Yan eh. Diyan ka magaling eh. Ikaw pala yung dabber.
Diyan ka magaling. Hindi, dati. Kasi, so that's what I'm trying to emphasize right now. I think, hindi dahil ginawa sa atin dati, kailangan natin
Dating gawin
gawin.
sa iba. Yeah.
Parang yan yung logic ng hazing eh.
Yeah.
Di ba? Ang
Or you have
pangit
to-
nun eh.
you have
Hinazing
to-
kami para makapasok dito sa frat. Kailangan
Y-
hazingin namin kayo.
You have to break the cycle.
Oo.
Kasi actually, napapag-usapan namin yan. Like,
Breaking the cycle. That's important.
yes.
I think that's very, very important.
Yes. So, napapag-usapan namin yan actually sa work. Yun nga, parang a lot of the senior people in the team, in our team, basically kasabayan ko sila, nagtrabaho. Lahat kami may pinagdaanan na sobrang, yun nga, uuwi ka alauna or uuwi ka 3 a.m. para matulog hanggang 7, tas gigising ka na agad, tas babalik ka na agad sa office. Tas parang, ganun lang yung cycle ng buhay. Or yung tipong kakain ka, lunch 4 p.m. Diba? Sobrang wala kang buhay. Tas parang, you will work yourself na sagad for something na magbebenta ka ng chichirya. Alam mo, but technically, diba? Parang if you look at it, ako, I really love the industry that I'm in. Pero paminsan parang okay, all this, like sobrang iniiyakan ko, nagkakasakit ako para lang magbenta kami ng sabon. Parang it sounds funny, but
Kung kliyente nyo sabon,
diba?
that's what you mean.
I mean like it's so basic.
Hindi, kaya nga, kasi what you're saying is yun nga, you're
No, I mean, yun nga. So we are we are we're not saving the world, but we're
okay.
doing good work. Yun yung
Kumbaga,
point
as
ko.
an agency, yung point mo,
So
as
we
an
don't.
agency, tama ba? As,
No, parang okay, I'll finish my thought. Mahaba
okay.
siya, mahaba yung thought process ko.
Hindi, nagulat ako saan nanggaling yung sabon eh.
Hindi, no, my point is kasi we're doing work we're not doctors. We're not saving
Okay, yun.
lives. We're not saving lives. We're selling items, we're promoting things for people to buy, 'di ba? And we're sinasagad namin yung sarili namin for things na I mean, parang we're putting our health in danger for things na hindi naman matter of life and death.
Yes, correct.
So, kumbaga, parang like most of the senior people in my team, napagdaanan namin yung lahat. And we have that bonding. Lagi namin pinag-uusapan yun. And we don't want that in our team for the people that we're working with. Because a lot of the other team members that we're working with, hindi sila galing sa ganong environment. And we don't want to bring it. I don't want to
You're
bring
breaking
that.
the cycle.
Yes, we're breaking the cycle, di ba?
Max.
So, mahirap yun
Breaker of
Mahirap yun kasi parang
Di ba ano yun? One of the nicknames of Daenerys,
breaker of chains.
Breaker of chains.
Yeah. So,
Daenerys.
mahirap yun. Kasi, actually, for me, hindi siya mahirap. It's not like yun parang, gusto ko maramdaman nila na ganito. Hindi. Parang, the most that I can do is, sige, subukan nyo, like, go to other agencies. That I am super, like, ako sure ako 100%. I can say this with all honesty and with pride na if you try to go to other agencies, may experience nyo pa rin yun. For sure. Because I have friends who are still working in those agencies and ganun pa rin yung mga kwento nila. And I don't want that for the agency that we're building or we built.
Okay. Sa part ko naman, I think as I've aged, I've mellowed down. May huli akong catering na alala ko mga 2 months ago. Out of town siya. Ang usual na kalakaran dyan sa catering, yung payment sa staff. Bigyan mo
Ano
lang
ba yun?
ng...
Pag after ng catering?
pag tapos na. Parang nga Santa Claus yan, pipilangan na ng mga yan. Abutan mo
Envelope.
na. Usually yung ganyan, lang side gig lang naman, project lang naman eh. So, compute ka. Pamasahe nila, minimum wage, maybe minimum wage times multiplier, ano ba minimum wage ngayon? 600 per day, di ba?
Actually, hindi ko alam.
It's 600 something, 620 something per day. So sabi mo, 2 araw sila nag-work, dahil overnight nag-prepare, so 1, 2, mga ganyan. Sabi mo, total na 2,000. Di ba? Mga ganyan. Pag may sinabihan ka ng daily wager na 2,000 babayad mo per day, sila parang wow. Wow na yun, di ba? Wow. Sabi ko, teka, mabait yung client. He gave me way over, as in kasi emergency yung catering eh. Kumbaga, rush. Kailangan to,
So,
graduation na anak ko. Nagbigay ng rush fee, ganyan. Kung yung yung sinaunang mga restaurateur, di ba? Parang, or chef, parang, okay na to. Ako naman yung nag-organize nito. Parang, dahil nga tumanda na ako, I've mellowed down. Sabi ko, hindi ko naman masaserve to kung wala tong mga staff ko eh. I gave them, hindi ko na sabihin yung exact. I gave them 5 digits each. 5 digits. So, lahat sila parang, hindi nga. Sabi ko, nga. Ayaw nyo. Sila, okay na, ito na eh. Tapos binigyan ko pa sila ng tag-isang, hindi sponsored to binigyan ko pa sila ng tag-isang collared na Uniqlo na polo shirt.
Yung sinuot nyo, yung pinasuot mo sa kanila.
Yes, you know why? Kasi sabi ko, yan ang uniform natin. Para maganda.
Saka,
diba?
Hindi naman, kumbaga you're taking care of them also.
Oo. Tuwan-tuwa sila dun. Kasi sabi ko nga, we look nice. Dahil pare-pareho kami suot. Pangalawa, yung next kong sa kanila, let's say hindi na naman kasing ganong kalaki yung sweldo. At least they know, Chef Ed will pay us fair. Diba? We're breaking cycles now. They're not doing this because they feel obligated. Tsaka puro special project lang yun eh. So, di naman nila ako di ko sila empleyado eh. Kumbaga, I formed parang a SWAT team for this eh. Rush lang eh. Buti nga umuo sila eh. I give them 5 digits each. Lahat sila, nagte-text sa akin, mga parang, Chef, laking tulong to. Kasi sakto, yung for my kid, for whatever. So, ako, mas konti na take home ko. Pero, ang sa akin, they need it more than me rin naman eh.
Mm.
Di ba? Not for anything. Wala akong,
I think
di
it's
ba?
more of also na they worked hard for it din naman.
They did.
It's not like, oh, they need it more, so we'll give. It's more of deserve naman nila yung
Yes.
nakuha nila.
So,
Kasi they worked hard for it.
kumbaga, kung anong deserve nyo, dapat yun ang makuha nyo.
Yeah.
Di ba? Yung patas lang.
Yeah.
Patas yung labanan.
Diba? Parang you give them what they deserve also. I mean, they worked hard.
Yeah.
So, I think it's more of you learn not because matanda ka na. Kasi may mga iba naman parang tumanda pero
Tumandang paurong.
Oo, di ba? So,
Diyan sila magaling.
Nax. You learned.
Uh,
Pero yeah, I think both our industries, we're trying to do something, at least the things that we can control, the things that we can change. But it's still a long way to go for, at least for the PR, like advertising world. And for
the culinary industry
the
also.
F&B industry, it's marami pa din kailangang gawin. But alam mo yun, baby steps. As long as there are people in the industry who are trying to change things for the better. Kasi, I don't know, I really don't understand a lot of people not improving on things. Parang sa kanila na, hindi, pinagdaanan namin to, so bala sila. Parang, nakakabawas ba yun? Nakakayaman ba yun? I don't know. Baka.
To wrap things up, ano ang magaling mong advice para sa mga listener natin na gustong pumasok sa ad industry?
May listener na tayo.
Oh, dami. Nakita ko yun.
Advice? Hindi ko, ikaw muna.
Sige,
Hindi mo
ano yung magaling kong advice? As an employer, aside from paying fair wages, it's worth it. Yun ang advice ko. Kunwari, sabihin, di ba ang daming yung nagagalit? Hirap na maging negosyante, yung small to medium, yung SME, small to medium na enterprise na magtataas na naman daw yung minimum wage, ganyan. Bigay nyo na. Tanong ko sa inyo, kaya mo mabuhay ba ng isang araw, minimum wage ng sweldo mo? Kaya mo. Kung masabi mo sa akin, kaya mo. Sige, saludo ako sa'yo. Ang liit na nga lang yan, ibigay nyo na.
Yeah.
Yun
diba?
yun.
Parang ang saya kaya kapag nabibigay mo sa kanila, yung marami ka nabibigay, hindi yung usual.
Oo.
Diba?
So, ibigay nyo
Reflex.
na. Right now, kami, we're trying to find a way na kasi some of my businesses, maliit, micro talaga. We cannot afford to go above minimum wage. So, we're finding a way to give them commissions. So, ginawa namin tier. Tinamaan nyo tong sales na to for the day, may extra kayo, tagwa 100 each on top of your minimum wage. Malaki yun. That's already 20% of your sweldo, yung mga ganon. Or 150, may tiering. So, may reward system. So, I think that's a small, that's a small step.
That can actually become big.
Okay. Ikaw, anong magaling mong advice?
Feeling general, a lot of people kasi diba say na, in every job, work hard. I think it's more of work well and work great. With the things that you need to do and the things that you need to do with the others, like with other team members.
Naniniwala ka ba sa work smarter, not harder?
Alam mo, totoo. Kasi
ganun ako eh.
Kasi may mga ibang tao yung parang work hard, pero gets ko naman, or parang, nagtatry naman sila, pero parang they're not working smart. So, iba naman, yung iba kasi parang OA sa work smart, yung parang discarding dengoy level na. Parang, nakakainis din yun. But, I mean, it's more of work well and work great. Parang, you work well within yourself, and within your team. Kasi, I think it's more of the, also, the industry, hindi naman siya yung tipong very, puno yan ng mga taong masasamang ugali or what. Ibang klaseng tao yung makakasalamuha mo. But, you guys are gonna work together most of the time. Kasi, sa agency, everyone's working together eh. So, you don't work on your own. You work well with everyone else and you do the work kasi para hindi ka pabigat. And at the same time, you contribute. Kung hindi ka pabigat, you contribute and you work well and great with everyone in the team, you have respect, then, yung buhay. Diba? Simple lang naman.
So guys, that's it for our first episode of Diyan Ka Magaling. Jajan. Dapat
Diyan.
may ganun.
Huh?
Jajan. Diyan ka magaling. We will be posting this in our social media accounts. Please comment kung ano pang topics ang gusto nyong mapag-usapan namin. Subok pa lang to. So hopefully, we've entertained you enough. Are you not entertained? Parang hindi ganun niya sinabi yun sa Gladiator.
Gladiator. So, yun lang. Okay. Thanks, guys. Bye.
Bye.